Hello viewers, welcome to my another new tutorial. That is, if you saw your computer screen is like light color, then how can you solve this problem? I tried to find out so many ways to fix it, but I couldn't fix it. In the end, I found the solutions. That is, I'm going to share with you. This is, if you have any browser, that is Firefox, Chrome. I have a Firefox browser. Now I will tell you how can you solve it. This problem, if you uh, found this problem, your computer screen is light color. You can see my browser is now white color, so I'm going to fix it. You can see this is white, but I can see it light also. I'm going to tell you that about that. How can you solve it? So at first you have to open Firefox browser. Then you have to click on three dot menu. You can see the top of corner and right side. Then you have to click settings. After that, you can see the general. Okay, general on setting on general system. So you can see there is few secrets. Read this carefully. Website appearance. Okay. Some website adapts this color scheme based on your preference. Choose which color scheme would like to use for this site. So problem is there. Okay, you can see my skin color is light. You can see because there is already selected light. Okay, if you select this system thing, what if, see, there is this color. Okay, if you select this and see what is, there is little bit different color, and if you select this, there is night mode color. Hope now you can understand what is the problem exactly I have faced, and you also know how can you solve this problem. Dark mode, light mode. If you click on light, it will be light. If you click on this, so you can choose what color if you want, but I want to dark color, so that's why I have to choose it. And if you want to do anything, so you can choose. Now I can choose Firefox. Setting is dark colors and computer skin is okay, and it's because of the theme. And there should be monitor problem also. If your monitor is out of expired date, so you should replace it. So there is another problem also, but I found this problem is here. Okay, you can see it, there is good. Now it's good, so my problem is solved. If your problem is not solved, you can change the monitor, or you can see fake cables, so it's up to you. So hope you can understand how can you solve it. Now I need dark color, so that's why I have to do nothing, just click on dark because I want to do some work with it. Okay, so you can see there is my color is dark.